Tom's Car Wash. Hey, Billy. Why are you in such a hurry? Oh, you're late to meet Steve for the soccer match. You'd better slow down. There's a street market today. The road will be busy. Watch out for the containers. Look out! Billy, are you okay? Billy, you might want to check your face. You don't like the makeup, Billy? Hey guys, Billy got covered in makeup and needs to go to the soccer game. Can you clean him up? Drive onto the platform, Billy. First, we'll scrub that paint off. Ticklish, Billy? Tom and Baby Tom are going to remove the makeup with cotton balls. Good job, guys. Except there's still some glitter on Billy's face. You can paint over it? All right, let's go to the paint shop. What color will you paint, Billy? Oh, red and black, just like Billy's soccer team. Wow, you look great, but, never mind. Okay, we better go meet Steve.
Oh.
Hey, Steve. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, you like Billy's face paint?
Oh.
Especially the glitter? You didn't need to feel silly after all. See you later. Hi, guys. Isn't it a beautiful Christmas Eve? It's the perfect night to enjoy a cup of hot chocolate with a friend. Whoa, what was that? What? You think Santa just landed on the roof? What are you doing, Rocky? You can't fit up that chimney. Oh, you're just going to stick your face up the chimney to see if you can spot Santa? Hector, you check the roof. Yikes! Oh boy, Rocky, that's a lot of soot right there. Aw, no Santa. There was a loose brick that shifted on the chimney and caused all that soot. You'd better get over to Tom's car wash and get cleaned up, Rocky. Hi, Tom. Guess what Rocky tried to do? Look up Hector's chimney to see if he could spot Santa. Can you help him get cleaned up for Christmas? Great. Let's go inside. What's the first step, Tom? Of course. Use the shower head to spray Rocky with water so the soap will lather up. Hi, baby Tom. What are you up to? Helping your dad? You're silly. You just wanted to blow on Rocky so you could see the clouds of soot, didn't you? Better run along, baby Tom, or you're going to have a shower too. Now that Rocky is wet, what's next, Tom? Some soap to get rid of the top layer of soot. Too bad soot can't just be dusted off, eh, Rocky? How will you get the rest of it off, Tom? An eraser? Really? That's really neat, Tom. It's working. All the soot is coming off. Time for a quick rinse. And now to dry you off, Rocky. There you go, Rocky. You're all set. Don't forget to stop at the goodies booth on your way out. A piece of bubble gum? It almost looks like that eraser. Thanks for your help, Tom. Rocky looks great. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Merry Christmas. Looks like it's the end of another mission for Super Truck. Hey, Super Truck. Where have you been? You're covered in, well, it looks like slime and some sort of sparkly dust. You've been to the moon? Cool. Are you going to transform back into a truck now? Well, you might feel a bit more comfortable without the rocket disguise, but you're still covered in slime and stardust. You'd better go get cleaned at Tom's car wash. But we mustn't let him know how you got so dirty, or he might figure out that you're a super truck. It's okay. The coast is clear. Hi there, guys. Carl would like you to give him a good wash. What kind of dirt is it? Well, Carl went to a party. He's not sure how he got dirty exactly. It's like alien slime. Oh, you are funny, baby Tom. So you can help? Phew, that was close. What are you going to do first, guys? You're right. We need to get rid of that sticky stuff first. How about using the rolling pins, Tom? Brace yourself, Carl. This could be a bit uncomfortable. Well, it almost worked, but it's going to take a bit more to remove the rest of the slime. What's that, Carl? The slime has a funny smell? Don't worry, shower gel will get rid of that. Time to wash away all those bubbles. Well, the slime is gone, but you're still covered in space dust. What? You think they're actually metal particles? Baby Tom, your dad's going to give you a magnetic hand for removing the particles. Okay, baby Tom, time to get to work. Whoa, that's quite a show you guys are putting on there. Well, wherever those sparkles came from, that magnetic hand worked really well.
Whoa!
Good idea, baby Tom. Some polish will feel nice after all that scratchy metal. What? You think Carl's been to space and that's where he got dirty? That's right. That's not possible. Carl would have to be some kind of superhero. Okay, guys, Carl's got to go now. Thanks for everything. Hey, Sam. Wow, you sure do have a lot of snow to plow today. Is that a delicious strawberry milkshake to keep you ice cold? Oh no, Sam, your milkshake is everywhere. It's going to stick to your wheels. That's exactly what I was afraid of. Who can we ask to help you out of this sticky strawberry mess? Yes, you're right. Tom the tow truck is exactly the truck for the task. Hi, Tom. Hi, baby Tom. You two look busy. Are you having a junk clear out? Well, you might need to take a short break because Sam the snowplow needs some help. He spilt his milkshake and got stuck in the snow. Can you and baby Tom shake him free? Great. Sam's in the playground. Let's get going. Hey, Sam. Wow, this playground has really been tickled pink. Tom and baby Tom are here to help you out of this milkshake mayhem. Great job, Tom. Let's head back to the garage. Baby Tom, let's go. Baby Tom? Come on, baby Tom. Let's go. Have you got an idea, Tom? Great. Ooh, that's something new, Tom. Are those hot towels part of your new cleaning steam room? Okay, now to deal with those nasty pink stains. Can you think of anything that could remove them, Tom? What's in that blue jar, Tom? Great. Your strawberry splatters are gone, Sam. Now you can pick something from Tom's goodie booth. Look, Sam, it's just what you need. A drink hat with silly straws. You'll never spill your drinks again. There you go, Sam. It fits perfectly. It looks like it really works. Delicious cold drinks and no spills. Thanks for your help today, Tom. Until next time. Hi there, Troy. What a beautiful day for a ride into the forest. Isn't it great to be outside? You're getting pretty dirty, Troy. Oh, no. You're not thinking of swinging through the forest on a vine, are you, Troy? Who do you think you are, Tarzan? How come Tarzan never seems to need a bath? You're all dirty, Troy. Better go see Tom at the car wash and get cleaned up. Let's go. Good morning, Tom. Troy has been out swinging through the trees like he's the king of the jungle. He needs a wash. What's first, Tom? The sprinkler to get Troy wet? Good idea. Now what, Tom? Soap? Time for some serious suds, Troy. That must feel good. No more leaves to tickle you. Rollers to remove all the leaves that are stuck in between Troy's cars. Good choice, Tom. Time to rinse you off, Troy. What's wrong, Tom? Did you change your mind? Oh, you have a new piece of equipment you'd like to try on Troy? Wow. That looks like a roller coaster ride through water. Get ready for a crazy ride, Troy. This is going to be such fun. Say cheese. That looked like a lot of fun, Troy. Plus, you're as clean as can be. Now it's time to get dried off. Shake your caboose, Troy. Now it's time for a final polish. Are you ready? Last stop, a polish. Good job, Tom. Now Troy has had another adventure, and he's cleaner than when he started. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Hey, guys. Follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.